Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody guys, let's take a look again in the euro currency as usual. So market is going with our trading plan by far. The stuff that we have talked about in the weekly report based on this butterfly on the daily chart. It seems to be correct and market is gradually moving down. Yesterday again we saw a significant acceleration right in the beginning of the United States trading session, so it was collapsed here. Market is not at oversold, and it really has ability to reach the predefined target. So we still have the 2 sessions till the end of the week, and it's not really big distance for market to complete it, especially taking into consideration the United States gross domestic product release that should happen on Friday. Also, you consider 1.7 extension coincides with the monthly pivot support one. So if you're keeping the short position, you probably should keep it and just don't forget to manage it. Moving stops, taking partial profit at some points according to your trading plan. Another important moment here is that as soon as the lows have been broken here and here, market doesn't show the fast return right back up. So it means that it's not just a stop hunting action, but this is a real breakout. This market stands quiet right below the lows, so it has broken it and now stands flat. So this confirms the idea of the real breakout, and it means the downward action probably should continue. Let's take a look what is going on the dollar index. On the dollar index we see the same rally until the major COP. It's still pretty nice room, so approximately the same as to our target. Also take into consideration, guys, that I use as the ABC pattern. It's a bit a faded A point, so I take the A point right from the moment where the rally has started, but absolute low stands right here. So it means that market will have some additional space depending on the strength of the action, depending on the demand, on the activity of the investors, and I not exclude the chance that market really could proceed to the COP that stands right here. It's around 39, 98 and 65 area. While right now we're watching for a contracted, a bit faded COP that stands at the 98.30. So it's really not really significant distance, but still this is additional room exists. On the euro currency, we're mostly watching for this area. So the fact that market also has dropped really fast gives more confidence that indeed we could get this downward action right to the 111 area. That will be target for this week. Of course, the gross domestic product release could bring the surprises, and market, depending on the numbers, easily could just pass through this area. So if the data will be really very good. And currently we expect the bullish surprise on the GDP release, but currently it's difficult to say how strong it will be. But I would like to say that according to the Phantom Consulting, market expects the worst numbers compares to consensus. While if the numbers will be even better, so it will be double impact, and it really could trigger a significant action. So what I would like to say is that if you would like to go through the release with a position on your back, just tight your stop and don't be hurried for taking the position, taking the profit, because it really could be some kind of wild card could play, or for example take some profit and keep some part of the position as a wild card. Usually I am taking the profit at the 2/3 of my position at the target that I specified for this trade, and keep the 1/3 with a profit stop order or break-even stop order for the wild card action. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, the reason why market stopped right here, you can see that this also minor butterfly is forming. It's a part of the larger pattern. Market hits the 127 extension. Also, our COP of this pattern has been completed. Now, as you can see, I used the ultimate A point, not faded, but ultimate, and even at this moment, euro still hits this target. So, no problem with this extension. Now, speaking of this minor COP, here probably we also have kind of the ABCD equal pattern, but what is more important for us is that this drop. This, as you can see, a really fast drop and acceleration right at the 127 target. And in most cases, it means that after minor pullback here, market usually proceeds right to the 1618. 1618 of this minor butterfly, guys, stands at 1096, what is agrees with the 127 extension of a large butterfly and monthly pivot support 1. So very good harmony. Speaking about the pullback, well, the first that we're taking in our mind is that previous lows, guys. So around 112 area approximately, so they could be retested, for example, by the price action. So this is normal action. That's the level that market could test before downward continuation will happen. On the hourly chart, we have the cascade of the fib levels, and it seems that the two confidence levels that we could keep an eye on will be 1186, 1191. This is most probable target of the possible pullback. Slightly higher stance than 112, 1214 is another confluence. So that probably two levels will be sufficient to hold upward bounces. Everything stands the same because, as I said, actually market stands not at the result. It really has the free space, no big supports below the market. Major support already has been broken on the weekly chart, 1185. So drop yesterday was significant, almost the tail close. So taking this all in consideration, it should not be too significant retracement. So that's what we will see right now on the euro currency. Let's keep watching and start preparation to gross domestic product release.